Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic implicit differentiation.
Implicit differentiation. Suppose we are given a function y implicitly. That is, we are given y as a function of x implicitly. That is, the variables y and x are related by an equation. Then the method of finding the derivative y dash is called the implicit differentiation. So implicit differentiation is the method of finding the derivative y dash if the variables are related by an equation or the function is given in implicit form. So if x and y are related by an equation, then to find dy by dx, first differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to x, thinking of a y as a function of x and using the chain rule. Then solve the resulting equation for dy by dx. We can discuss the method by an example. If y equal to f of x and x square plus y square equal to 1, express dy by dx in terms of x and y, in terms of x and y. So here we are given that y is a function of x and they are related by this equation x square plus y square equal to 1. Here we have to find the derivative y dash or dy by dx. So here we have y square plus x square equal to 1 or x square plus y square equal to 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have the derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x plus derivative of y square. We know y is a function of x, so we have to apply here the chain rule. That is, the derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y dy by dx, which is equal to derivative of 1, which is 0. So now next step is to solve this equation for dy by dx. So from this we get 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, that is dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. So this will be the derivative. Another example, find the equation of the tangent line. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve 2x power 6 plus y power 4 equal to 9 into xy at the point 1 comma 2. So here we have to find the equation of the tangent line to the curve 2x power 6 plus y power 4 equal to 9xy at the point 1 comma 2. Here the function is given in implicit form for the variables x and y are related by this equation. We know the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to y of x at the point x naught comma y naught is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to y dash into x minus x naught, that is y dash at the point x naught y naught. So this is the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal y of x at the point x naught y naught. So for that we need to find the derivative. So here we are given that 2x power 6 plus y power 4 equal to 9 into xy. Here we need to find the derivative. So differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of 2x power 6 is 12x power 5 plus derivative of y power 4 is 4 into y cube into dy by dx, which is equal to derivative of 9xy. Here we have to use the product rule because x is a function of x and y is a function of x, so we have to apply the product rule. So 9x into derivative of y is dy by dx plus 9y into derivative of x is 1. So this is the differentiation of this function or this equation. Now we have to find the dy by dx. So from these two we get dy by dx into, taking dy by dx outside from these two terms, we get 4y cube minus 9x equal to 9y minus 12x power 5. So dy by dx, the derivative is nothing but 9y minus 12x power 5 divided by 4y cube minus 9x. So this is the derivative y dash for dy by dx. Now we have the point is 1 comma 2. We have to find the tangent line at the point 1 comma 2. So at the point 1 comma 2 we have at 1 comma 2 we have x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 9 into 2 minus 12 into 1 power 5 divided by 4y cube, that is 4 into 2 cube minus 9 into x, that is 1. So this is equal to 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12, that is 6 divided by 4 into 8, that is 32 minus 9, that is 23. So the derivative at this point 1 comma 2 is 6 by 23. Therefore, the equation of the tangent line at the point x naught y naught is equal to 1 comma 2 is given by, we know it is y minus y naught equal to dy by dx at the point x naught y naught into x minus x naught. So this is equal to, here we have y naught is 2 and x naught is 1. So this is y minus 2 equal to dy by dx at the point 1 comma 2 is 6 by 23, that is 6 by 23 into x minus x naught, that is x minus 1. This implies y is equal to 6x by 23 minus 6 by 23 plus 2, that is equal to 6 by 23x plus 40 divided by 23, that is y equal to 6 by 23x plus 40 divided by 23.